How to add social media icons to our Shopify header. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be a very simple tutorial. Basically, we want to add, for example, our social media plugs. So Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever it may be. We want to add them in the header. This way people can just go ahead and click on them, and it's just going to redirect them to that page that we have. Now, we are not going to be using any third-party applications. We are just going to be using Shopify itself. So let's just go ahead and show you how to do it. So first, you will need to open up your Shopify admin. And then from here, you will need to go to Online Store and just go to Themes. Now, from Themes, I'll be using the Dawn theme, but hopefully it's just going to work exactly the same for yours, but no guarantees. Now, in order to do so, we will need to just go ahead and click on Customize. And we just need to wait for it to load here. Now, as it loads, we can just go ahead and skip and go to the theme settings option on the left panel. So just go ahead and click on the theme settings. And then from here, you'll need to just go ahead and scroll down until you find the social media tab here. So just go ahead and click on social media. And now you can see we have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Vimeo. So we can just feel free to add all the social media accounts that we want in here. So let's just go ahead and add Facebook, facebook.com/example. And let's just go ahead and do so for Instagram as well. So instagram.com/example. Once that's done, we will just go ahead and click on save. And now we can just go to sections. And now we need to go to announcement bar here. So just go ahead and click on announcement bar right over here at the top. And then we want to basically click on, if we scroll down a little bit, you will find social media icons. So just go ahead and click on show icons on desktop. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on that. And we can see already we have the Facebook and also the Instagram. And you can see at the bottom left that it says instagram.com/example, which should be your username. And I believe instead of actually going back to the theme settings, you can just go ahead and click on theme settings down here within the announcement bar itself. And you can just feel free to add more stuff here as well. So let's just go ahead and add YouTube as well. So let's just go to youtube.com/example, which should now load in a YouTube icon as well. Same goes for TikTok, Twitter, and so on. So let's just go to x.com/example as always. And we should have that as well. And this is pretty much the easiest way to add social media icons to our Shopify header. Just make sure you click on save. And we are pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and let's just go ahead and view them real quick. Yeah, we have them. It's fully functional. People can click on them. It's just going to redirect them to that link. And thanks for watching.